I've been married for 16 years. When your wife says get the gutters fixed, you get the gutters fixed. A tree had fallen down in our front yard right here, and it knocked out my lights and my gutters. You don't get your gutters taken care of or your spouts, and you have a basement or a crawl space, it will erode those areas, and then you'll have to get foundation damage. I'm a man of integrity, and I did ask and call around other general contractors. Everyone was backlogged, so I just called Bone Dry, and Bone Dry had the best deal in the city. The gentleman came over, he was safe, reliable, and efficient. Fixed my gutter and my spout, and switched me to a 16. That's a larger gutter spout, so when it rains, the water flows more effortlessly. I was very pleased with the team. They were efficient. The gentleman pulled up, put down cones. He had a safety area, and he also blocked off the driveway so no children in our wonderful neighborhood would be hurt. They're licensed, bonded, insured, reliable, efficient, and they work with me on the price. When I talk about communication, and relationships and communication are key. Text messages, emails, phone calls. He communicated the whole time. I appreciate Bone Dry for the communication. I would recommend the gutter services at Bone Dry because they're clean, efficient, and look at my house. Wouldn't you want to look like this? Bone Dry.